truth of the matter, nobody they buy those houses where they buy for Lekki 100 million, 200 million. They build mansion for everywhere. Saying na solely content creation money. Maba, those one are capping.
Hey, my people, wahala be like bicycle. Na poor, we not stupid, not be lie. My people, this video, I go put the full video for them on and watch. Waiting this our brother talk about our content creator people wey dey for Naija, wey be say dem go say dem buy house. Before you know that 6 months, they'll say they don't buy another one. They say not be only for Facebook that they make the money, or make they talk truth. That's what this our brother talk. He say make they talk truth. Make they not call like they tell people say na Facebook money, now they tell they do all those things. He said na lie. He said because he still there inside. Why he be say na only una? Now they buy cars, big cars. Una will buy all that 6 months, una don't buy another one. Wait till una they do, make una let us know. Una say they go let us know. Know your way, not because so. Know your way, not because my people. I will put a video more than listen to it because now no say this Facebook of 18. If really, according to waiting, then they really they talk, especially those people will be saying they for Africa. And so they tell they pack the money. We always be say they for we were there for the Euro country. Shebi we for the use trailer till they pack out every blessed day. Well, not say Nigeria, different business day, different to invest money a day. It not be like abroad. So then they put that one, they join now. Okay, so make they know they like they tell other people say na Facebook matter, na Facebook. Everybody for don't enter inside this Facebook. Even this Facebook of 18 self. You know they pay like that again. Una know say when something newly come out, the thing go they like they want draw people, make them come. Nowadays self, hey, sometimes some video there where you go put for there, you know even they make anything, but it go get many views. They will say they don't want put money for inside because they must see something talk say the video like good, they okay for them. May I put this video, may we listen to this our brother. We will come back again, okay? Wanna not forget, love and like this video, share this video, leave your comments, okay? Bye bye for now.
Good morning, everybody. Let me tell you something. For those of now, they mock me. I may be broke, but I am not stupid. No, let anybody deceive you. Somebody might be broke, but the person not stupid. You see, most of them get problem of comprehension. The truth of the matter, nobody they buy those houses where they buy for Lekki 100 million, 200 million. They build mansion for everywhere. Saying na solely content creation money. Maba, those one are capping. I know what they tell you. See this one now for my comment. They write say OG will never get 5 million views. And Facebook, they tell you say now by millions of views Facebook they pay person. Baba, you think get 5 million views, may Facebook not give you 50 kobo? They tell me, I didn't know the business. They tell me most of una you see, una don't understand. Say Facebook na business, and just like every other business, when you did the outside, they look how people they. It seems like people are making it. You don't always feel say, Bob, not so easy. Once you enter, you just make them. You don't know say Facebook na business. Mark Zuckerberg will just sit down. They press una millions and millions. How many content creators all around the world Facebook want pay millions of millions? May they still dating now. Whether they no go broke. Baba, may I tell you, your favorites, they not build their property solely from content creation. Content creation money may be part of what they use. But you know if you tell me say only Facebook where you they do, you go they buy millions and millions of property. I bet Mona take her easy now. If you get boys for bush where they run keep Mona talk. Go ask your favorite. Tell us okay, Baba, this money where you talk, you say you make a legitly for social media. You paste your statement of account. Take give boys motivation. Paste them. Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg take pay you. You don't get any content creator for Nigeria where Mark Zuckerberg go pay $100,000 a month. Come out, come show us your payment slip. What they worry you? Who you want the life for? Now broke, we broke. Oh, we not stupid though. What did they talk? Say Facebook go pay you money like that. Where you go to they buy everywhere jam. All graduates no go find job big. Everybody go enter the social media. Not only Nigeria content creator did the world. Content creator not dey South Africa. Content creator not dey Brazil. Go to the internet, may you see videos from Chinese content creators where they bust everywhere, 50 million views. Why don't they buy houses like that? Then we will talk, they tell us here, also, say na buy. They tell say na buy views. The way Facebook is designed, not be all videos that they monetize. My guy, if you get 10 million views, if Facebook not determine say that video go generate income, Baba, you know, will get 1 cent. Tell your favorite content creator, make the call post their statement of account. They hear saying they don't want post time because they don't want make government tax them. Person where they make 100 million naira a month. If they fear make government not tax them, but if you use that same amount of money go buy us, we government no go know say where that money come from. In Nigeria, as of Nigeria today, let me tell you the truth. As of Nigeria today, you know if you count 100 million cash go buy property without CBN no go. They must check that source of income. You must check where that money they come from. As of today, let's be 100 million where you go your count cash go buy us. They worry you be Bodunga. They tell you reality. They come tell us say we broke more also hard. Because say they see the thing, they look so loving from outside. They see this entire content creation, it all bust everywhere for your mind. This is so easy. Yeah, go now. If not by views, people go they twerk naked for social media, real naked, make the views they count. Not go let anybody deceive you. Facebook now business like every other company. They get skills where we say, you go walk, and before they go release 1 cent from their pocket, reward you, go cry. You fit just do one kind of small thing, when you not expect, Facebook go flag you instantly. Me, you not collect that. They'll flag you. They'll put a violation there. You don't go here for like 6 months. Your videos go to get views. People go to say you they make them, but all those videos now freebie. You they work for Mark. Don't let anybody deceive you. Let them tell us the truth. My guy, Alpha, you they run other business and you they use content creation money, they support what you they do. Fine. Not let us feel say you they make 100 million naira from Facebook every month. Where they worry you? Who they lie for? Take it easy, yo. Now poor, we not stupid.
My people, this video where this our brother talk about, not be lie. Now no say none of them go ever show you their payout. Their payout, the how much wey be say Facebook pay them. They not go show you, but they'll tell you say now there for they make their money. Me, I so much believe say not be only there. Una know say unlike something still the way be say all these bitcoins and all those things, they still they do all those things. I so much believe now that one not be only Facebook, because now the Facebook now the rest people still there. People where be say they really they get the money when now those people where they for America. Now no say now America now the Facebook now person will get on there. So now those people that revenue, their revenue high well. Anyway, my people, at all na it bad, okay? At all na it bad. But not be the way where they like, they tell all those people where they follow them say, oh, I buy house, oh, thank God. Now this Facebook now for make the money. Now like that one not be the truth. The other side of it, they not go tell you. Nobody then go tell, because if they tell you, you go there, you go make money, and maybe you feel spoil there. You go come spoil the place. Now not waiting, now not the way we tell them be. But for Nigeria side of it, even though say they make like $300, $400, it's still good. It's still good pass say nothing they come. But all those one where be say they use they buy houses. Now no say house still they cost for abroad, now so still they cost for Nigeria. Especially when it comes to all those people, all these popular place where they say that they buy. Not be only Facebook, oh, make una not just like put and say na only Facebook. They still get another side where they be say therefore they make their money. But the thing where they not go talk and come out. Know your way, because all right, my people, help me to share this video, love and like this video. Bye bye for now. Do well for my body.